Okay guys, let's straight forward to the topic. Today we're gonna take the APK and OBB file from this XAPK file without using any applications. Okay, for doing that, it's just a simple procedure. Just right click the file and rename it. Rename the extension .xapk to RAR. RAR. Okay, then tap enter. What? If you change the file extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you wanna change it? Yes, of course, why not? Okay, now it's a RAR file, then extract the file. It will automatically create a extraction folder. When it's done, open the folder, then you can find your APK right here. Here is your APK, and where is the OBB? It's hiding under the Android folder. Open the folder, you can see your OBB files. Unfortunately, Call of Duty Mobile has 2 OBB files. That's what it is. Do you wanna know how to install this on BlueStack 5? Let me know in the comments. I'll do that for you. That's all for today. Have a great day. See you later. I'm out.